If you want to add a photo to contact on POCO F7, all you have to do is open the phone app. Next, we're gonna go to contacts and then choose the contact for which you want to add a photo. We're gonna tap on this pen icon that we have in the top right corner, and then we can press on this picture over here, this option that we have. We can either open the camera and take the picture right now, take the photo immediately, or we can go to gallery in order to choose a photo from our gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. We can of course zoom in and zoom out. We can rotate the photo as well in case we need that, and then we can press choose and save in the top right corner. If this option is missing, it might be due to the contact being saved on a SIM card, for example. So it is quite important to have the contact saved, for example, on Google account or the device storage to be able to set the photo for a contact. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.